Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can connect Soundpad to your Discord. So here actually you can see we already download our Soundpad account over that place. So you just need to be search here Soundpad, and then here you will eventually find out the website. So here you just need to be download these voice chat options. Here this is the simplest way. So here you just need to be click on download. Once you click over here, it will completely download here, and I already downloaded and I already installed it. And here actually you can see I already set up all the things. So just click preference, and then I already provide the device I want to work with this one. So here you can see our microphone already been added here. So I just need to be click over here, okay, and then I will open my Discord server. And here actually you can see this is the setting here. Just click over here, and then here you just need to be find it out the voice and video option. Just scroll down, and here you will find out the voice and video options. And here you can see this is the voice option, and here you can see input device. It is by default set this one. You can select this one also, then you can select the output device also. So this is the easiest way to connect Soundpad to your Discord. I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.